This is Tim. Having just flown in on a weekend business trip, Tim's in no mood for the car rental desk. Long queues, a pushy sales rep, and endless forms. Luckily for Tim, he's planned ahead and rented a car with Fleet. After quickly setting up his profile, Tim was able to select from a number of cars available in his area at a great price. The best part for Tim was that the car owner could meet him in arrivals. They had a quick chat and Tim got a few tips on places to eat in town before heading on his merry way with no fuss. These are the Kellys. The Kellys are also Fleet users. They both walk to work each day, meaning their 2 cars are available to rent out to users in their area. A few months on from joining Fleet, and the Kellys have already made far more than they'd expected, enough to pay next year's insurance up front or take a well-earned holiday. Fleet will enable more people to enjoy cheaper car rental, while others list their unused vehicles to earn extra income. Put your car to work. Join Fleet today.